Tired of not knowing what day it is?
What day is it? What day was it last week? What day is it 3 months from now? If only there was a way to know what day it is.
Well, now there is.
It's the Lëtzebuerger Kalenner 2019 met foto from Mike McQuaid. Dat is echt. An American in Luxembourg. It's an American Luxembourg calendar, if you will. So now you have no excuse not to know what day it is, what day it was, what day it will be. Is hoe de foto gemacht. Chain of photos. Vermeldange, 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 vermeldange. And look, I wrote stuff. Is hoe stuff geschrieben. Zum Beispiel. Wisdom I once received from a Romanian cab driver in Luxembourg. Being able to speak only one language is like playing a flute that has only one hole. It's good for calling dogs, and that's about it. But what's fun, it's translated to Luxembourgish. Het is goed voor Lëtzebuergers ze üben. You have this picture, and you have this picture. Shane, little toy town of Pafendal. Vermeldange, vermeldange. I've included all the months, all 365 days. Shua Bafawa. You can also pretend it's a race car. I thought I would just read a little bit from the calendar. I'll start with January. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and it goes on. I don't want to give it away. I also wrote a book. Just leave this for you to think about.